Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the magic write on Canva. So on a Canva homepage in here in the canva.com, if you want to go to the magic write, you can just click on this option, write my first draft. You can just tap on that and you'll be directed to this page. So for example, you want to add a catchy title, you can just here describe your writing task. For example, I'm going to go with this social media captions in here. Okay, so this is the prompt from the Canva. If you want to make your own prompts, you can just delete this, tap on clear. Here you can describe your writing tasks. Minimum 5 words are, so for example, write me a captions for Instagram posts related or about family picture, for example, like that. Now you can just hit on generate. Okay, so you can see Canva will show you some of the options for your Instagram post caption. There are also divided into a few categories: heartwarming caption, fun and playful captions, impressional caption. And if you want to generate again, you can just click on more like this or this, but for example, make it more engaging, or you can just write any criteria that you want and tap on generate again. You can also use this magic write to write you like an essay or maybe an articles or others that you want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.